Okay, I'm going to take you through our lash removal. So you're going to use the Lash Pro lash remover. It's super simple. I'm just going to have the client close your eye. I'm going to take this and I'm going to kind of agitate at the base, back and forth, really just getting a little bit of that product right through the lashes. I usually like to let that sit for about 10 seconds, so I'm going to move to the other eye. Just really work that product in. And once that's sat for about 10 seconds, I'm going to go through and I'm going to work downwards. And some of these will start kind of working their way off. And if you need your help with your tweezers, you can kind of take those and they just come right off. There you go. That one came off altogether. Okay, other eye. I'm going to kind of work from the base down. And with the help of my tweezers, I'm going to kind of just grab the tips and kind of just lightly pull, and they should come right off. Need a little remover right here. Feel free to use more product. And those came off. I usually like to go over with a cleansing pad or a wipe and just clean off any residual remover. And they're all clean and she's ready to go for a full new set.